Dad, can we ride my bicycle in the park today?
Of course, Tom. It will be fun.
Yay! I love my bicycle.
I will clean the yard first.
Okay, Dad. I will play here.
Be careful, Tom. Let me move this box. Oh! Oh no! Oh no!
Dad! My bicycle! My bicycle is broken.
I am very sorry, Tom.
The wheel is bent.
It was my mistake. It was my mistake.
I miss riding my bicycle.
I feel bad about what happened.
I just want my bicycle back.
I will try to fix it.
Can it be repaired?
I hope so. Tom, will you help me repair the bicycle?
Really? I can help?
Yes. We are a team.
Okay, Dad.
The repair is finished.
Wow!
It looks new again. Let's test it.
Thank you, Dad. Look, Dad! It's working perfectly.
That's wonderful, Tom.
I am so happy.
Thank you for helping me.
Thank you for fixing my bicycle.
I learned a lesson today.
Me too. Everyone makes mistakes,
Yes, but we should fix them.
and we should help each other.
That's what family does.
I love you, Dad.
I love you too, Tom.